Hello guys, welcome back to the video. So this is a tutorial. Do you want this? Like this 3D stroke? You can see it. I'll just replay it. This is what we see here. This is 3D stroke, but you need a particular plugin for this. Okay. Let me just tell you something. If you complete 10 likes or 20 likes, like 10 likes on this video, which is gonna be posted, I'll just give this project file. I have many particular plugins here, like you can see this one here, and one more 3D stroke, and this set particulars. Okay, so like I'll just give the link in the description and you can download it from there. Okay, so if you want to make this, I'm just gonna show you how to make this. You just need to I'll just open cancel. Okay, now make a new composition by clicking Ctrl plus N. Make sure you did it in the 16:9 ratio. Okay, so then you just need to do is click Ctrl plus Y to make a black solid, and when you make a black solid here, you need to click at this pen tool. Do this to 100%. Click at this here. Okay, if whatever shape you want, you can do it like this. You can do it like this. Okay, and if you want any other shape, you can also do it like that. Okay, let me just explain to you how do you do it. Now you need to search here for the 3D stroke. You just double click it or maybe drag it to this. Okay, here you go. And if you need any color, you can just choose it. Now you can like click at the M, and if you want to edit your mask, you can just click at the pen tool again and click at any point you want and like change it. Okay, so I'll just delete this mask and just make a new one. So I'll just delete this stroke. So you just need to click this pen tool. Yeah. Okay, so I did this. Oh god. What is happening? What is happening? I don't know. Oh, you just need to. Yeah, it's here now. So this is what I fucking made this. You can edit this like this or any shape you want. You can edit it like that. Okay. I don't know how to make a perfect shape, but okay. Let me just decrease the time. I'll just do it. Okay. Okay, so this is the thing. Now you need to search. If you want any normal color, you can just do it from here. And I'll just search here for 4. And now this is here. I'll just search for deep glow. Apply it here. Okay. So now it looks beautiful. So now for the transition. You need to do Wait, let me just edit this. You can like edit this how much time you want. Okay, so this is here. So now here's the option in the 3D stock. This is end. You need to do is do two make keyframe by clicking the stopwatch. Do it here and 100. Okay, pokey pokey. Like here you see it's fast. Okay, so I'll just increase the time. I'll do it like here. Okay, and then I'll go to graphs. Whatever graph you want, you can choose it. Now see, this is the result we got. Okay, so you can make this. Okay, this is, I mean, how smooth it is. You can look at this, how smooth. If you want to make it more smooth, you can. I don't think so. Motion blur will work. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't works much, but it's still good. It looks good. Okay, so this is all for today. I mean, okay, you'll see. Yeah, look how smooth it is. You can make it, and if I pull it at, I mean, the full. I have a sit PC with a 4 GB RAM, so I can do anything. Okay, so I'll just have to wait for this. So till then, I'm telling you about my OC. I have open collab going on. If you want to participate, you can. I'll give you my VFX pack if you're the winner. Okay, then hokey pokey. Let's wait for this. The thing is that it takes time because I have a 2 GB RAM graphic card and 4 GB RAM laptop. God knows how I edit in this set PC. I mean laptop. Yeah, it's there. Now you can look at it. You can skip the video. Yeah, it's here. Look how good it is. Okay, if you want more tutorials, please comment on the video. And that's all for today. Bye.